Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Ally Bank app for emergency funds after claims, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by unlocking your mobile device. Locate the app store specific to your device. For iOS devices, this is the Apple App Store. For Android devices, look for the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Ally Bank. Press the search icon to initiate the search. From the search results, tap on the Ally Bank app. Confirm that it is the official app by checking the developer details. Click the Get or Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, locate the Ally Bank app icon on your home screen. Tap the app icon to open the application. If you are a new user, select the option to create an account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. If you already have an account, select the Login option. Enter your credentials carefully to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Emergency Funds section. Follow the provided instructions to set up or manage your emergency funds. Make sure to review all terms and conditions associated with withdrawals. If you encounter any issues, refer to the app's help section. Consider contacting Ally Bank's customer service for further assistance. Enjoy the convenience of managing your funds directly from your mobile device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.